No doubt. Well, a lot of people fish in the game. They just don't fish on stream because it's very stressful.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay,
What is it?
we're getting raped.
Okay, yeah. Meteor
BUSHI.
shower. Meteor shower.
I used it.
We're good then. Just get them off the boat. Just get us back. We're good. We're good.
Thank you.
As long as you use the meteor shower, we should be good. Are we close? See, speaking of, are we close, dude?
We are far away from getting clear from these guys. Look, they're right behind us. I even used a meteor shower.
I know. We're going for a different one.
Oh thank god, my heart is fucking beating like shit. Oh my. That was, you just popped out from the blue, man. Holy shit.
Look how they turned. They saw it was white order. So they're coming for us again.
Oh god, no.
I would not insult Bushy. What the fuck are y'all doing? How are they outrunning us?
That thing is so fucking fast, it's insane.
It's ridiculous. They're trying to... Here they come. Just keep it going.
Another one for BUSHI. What the fuck?
We're so close. Just go, 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 go. I'm lagging so hard.
Yeah, we're done for. I'm so sure of it.
Bushy, leave the beard be.
We good. Fucking shit, we made it. Oh my god.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Oh my
Damn.
god, I'm a fucking legend
We
on this fucking boat.
escaped. Yeah, good job. They're still gonna try to push us out. Dude, they're still gonna try to push us out.
I'm just gonna backpedal. Oh my god, why is no... Okay, we have one on the harpoon, that's good. He's just gonna hang here for a minute.
Just backpedal us. They're gonna push us out. They're trying to push us out right now.
Nope.
See if you can turn us towards that shore over there. Kastura, let me on there. Let me on the
I'm turning
harpoon. Yeah, let me on the harpoon, Kastura. Kastura, please. Someone tell him to let me on the harpoon. I'm spamming F. Nasty knobs, get away from here. I'm gonna dock our ass. Fuck this shit.
Oh wait, that's a bad idea, Lose it, dude, lose it. We're about to... That's a bad idea, dude.
Okay, I'll loosen it. There we go. But they're harpooning us, trying to pull us out, dude. That's why we need to beach it. That's our only chance. Our only chance is to beach it, bro. and start moving the fish in.
I know.
Yeah, the fish are worth it. I don't like going in the hole. We gotta turn. You gotta turn us more left. And I can pull us right up on that dock.
I'm turning the lifts as much as I can. I can't do anything else.
They're pulling us now. Just putting that out there. We're now getting pulled.
Just look at this, they're just trying so hard.
They might have just failed themselves.
Harpoon us in on the land, yeah, good, good. Just have to wait it out.
Yeah! Screw Bushy! Screw you, Bushy! Yes! Screw you, Bushy! I am a fisherman pro, yo.
And now I just wait.
Leave me be, Bushy.
At some point.
Yes! Screw them!
You gotta wait like 5 minutes or something, I think.
Oh, they're pushing us in! They're trying to push us with a tractor. Get ready, get ready. Are you on the wheel?
I'm still on the wheel.
Try turning us to the right, see if we can. I got this, I got this, I got this. I just gotta get us to flat land. We'll be okay. Good luck pushing us from here, Bushy. Yes!
They're gonna pull us now.
They're gonna pull us. Oh my god, they got so many little gadgets. Leave us alone. Just get ready. Wait, I have an idea. We've got to be heavier than that, right?
I'm sure no matter what they can't pull us. But of course if there's like gonna be more clippers, at some point they will be able to push pull us out.
Help!
But I don't see the point of doing it because we have no large fish in this one.
No, they're just
They're just doing for entertainment.
They're doing it
Yeah.
because they're on the stream and they like watching it.
Yeah.
Here we go, dude.
See, there's another clipper. It's like 4 clippers on us now.
It's okay. Here we go, get ready.
Get ready to use the harpoon on the line again.
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie screen. Said don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. She said I am the one Do a dance on the floor and around.
Yeah, you guys can start transporting the fish if you want. I'll try to hold it as long as I can.
Was Billie Jean, and she caused a scene. And all her heads turned with eyes that dreamed of being the one.
He's about to fling us back up in the air. Be ready.
People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' heart. Mama always told me, be careful who you love. Careful what you do.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm having trouble here because of a galleon there. There we go! Ah! Screw off!
Keep pulling us, dude.
Screw off! Leave me alone! You leave me alone, bruh! Shincy, call it off, dude! Call it off, Shincy. No need, man. Call it off, Shincy. It's only like freaking 20 gold. Call it off. Quit pushing me.
They're just helping us now. Fucking stupid.
She told my baby that we danced till 3 and she looked at me. She showed a photo. My baby cried, his eyes were like mine. 'Cause we danced on the floor and around. People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. Then she stood right by me, the smell of sweet perfume. This happened much too soon. She called me to a room.
There we go. Beautiful.
She's just a girl who says that I am the one, but the kid is not my son. She says I am the one, but the kid is not my son.
You're gonna leave us alone? Or are you gonna stay here all day? I'll fight you to the end of time. Oh, no. No, I think you guys will get tired. You guys will get tired.
I guess that's a true story.
They're just doing this for like 10 gold or some shit. I mean, come on.
I've seen butthurt or something? I'm not butt.
Uh,
Oh, are you talking about? Who's butthurt? I'm having fun. I think I'm giving y'all the biggest run for your fishing boat kill you've ever had, and I really honestly don't think you're gonna get the kill.
nope.
I mean, I don't think so. I think we're gonna. I mean, it would actually make more sense. It would make more sense for people to, or for us to probably just let our boat die because we can be out earning money. But it's the principle. It is the principle. Try to move us forward. Do you have meteor shower?
Yeah, I still have plenty.
Okay. Let's just drown this dude on the tractor. No doubt, Layla. Thank you so much. I have fought like hell for my boat. I know you guys are beasts, and I know you're awesome at what you do here.
This is fucking legit.
But you're not gonna get it. If you could kindly let us just go ahead and turn in our. See, look, now we're flying. We're in ET mode and shit. Like, what the hell? Just let us go turn in our smalls. You ready? It may be a little more than 20 gold.
Screw that. The fact is, they're just doing it for so little. It's hilarious.
Yeah. It works.
Can't you see that it's just rain? There ain't no need to go outside. Ain't no need, ain't no need. Rain all day and I really, really, really. Can't you see, can't you see? Wake up,
They're trying like hell, I give them that.
They're stubborn little children for sure. Oh my god.
Yo, can somebody ask Bachman if Generic Guild's got enough numbers on to kill Bushy right now? Because that would be an awesome turn of events.
Oh!
Yes! Yes! Screw you, brah! Screw you and your tractor, brah! Woo!
Oh my god!
Get ready to drive! Get ready to drive, dude! Land it! Drive! Get us to the thing! Oh shit! What the shit? Get us to Go, 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 go! Drive it, drive it! Meteor shower! Now! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Meteor shower that bitch! Yeah! Don't beach us, don't beach us, don't beach us! Screw you, Bushy!
They gave up. They gave up.
No, they haven't. That was awesome. That was absolutely brilliant. You could call it fishing euphorical. We're actually trying to escape Bushy. We got someone chasing us, but they're not gonna catch us. They're from Bushy. Just go. That was awesome, guys. That was a Bushy member trying to distract me, because what you were seeing is I was actively harpooning the beach to keep from getting pulled out by Bushy's clipper harpoons. Oh, watch out, that might be Bushy. Watch out.
Yeah, but he can't hurt us. We're still in the friendly zone.
Yeah, they're gonna do it again.
Nothing we can do about it. They're gonna keep trying because I don't know.
Just try to get by him. Ah, shit.
So I work us towards the shore. If you go back again.
What are you talking about?
Look behind you. To your right. If you
The
go towards the
beach?
beach again. Yeah.
No, 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 just try to get by him. Go, go, go. Try to squeeze by him.
The hitbox is bigger than
big.
this thing. Yeah.
Okay, just back up. Go back up again. Make him think we're leaving. Just keep going. You gotta let me get a hit on that.
I'm being followed.
Thank you so much for the follow. Who was it?
How are you being
Crazy
followed? You're not
Kitty. Thank
moving.
you so much for the follow. There you go. There you go. Pull in, pull in, pull in. There's your entry. Go, go, go. Pull in.
The hitbox is still too big, dude.
Your hitbox is too big. Thank you so much for the follow. Hey, move your big hitbox out of our way. Just push them. Push the galleon. We don't have to pay you, dude. We've already proven. We are amazing. There you go. There you go, Hands of Fate. There you go, Hands of Fate. Go, dude, go. Push him, push him. Oh no, we went retarded. I don't know what's gonna happen. Push him.
What about the harpoons behind us, man?
It's okay, just
I
go,
can't,
go.
I can't turn right, dude.
Okay, I'll help you, I'll help you.
Dave, I'm being followed.
Pull us! Pull us, Hands of Fate. Thank you so much, Wartime. Pull
How are you
us!
being followed? You're not moving.
Pull us, Hands of Fate. You got us. Go! Take us to the dock.
Dave, I'm being followed.
Thank you so much, Hive Lord. Pull us, bro.
How are you being followed? You're not moving.
Cutting it. I'm cutting it. We can push this clipper. Go.
Try and see if you can hit land.
Own it. We'll take this clipper with us.
Don't keep cooling us.
Well, we're okay. We're okay. You ready to go? Push it. Push it. Go, go, go. There we go. There we go. Thank you, Hands of Fate. Turn us left, turn us left. Actually, we can get in this corner here and we'll be... no, turn us left. Let's go to the dock. Anybody else on the western coast that would like to help a fisherman get his boat in, you're more than welcome to join us.
But you do realize there's like 2 harpoons in the back.
Yeah, I got you. Go.
And I can't turn right, I can't turn left anymore.
I'm pulling you left.
Good. Just look at these fucking kids, man.
I was. Pull us in. Pull us straight in. Straight in. There you go. Straight in. Can you block us in, Hands of Fate?
It's time to get good and fucked up. Let's go. Start drinking.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, Aries. I know how you're not getting all mean about this. You, sir, are a great sport and a great player of arcades. I love how you know. Oh yeah, it's just how they play the game. I went fishing with Bushy before. I get it. It's just they make their money for their guild from killing fishermen. I make my money for our guild from fishing. So that's the thing. Oh shit, it's go time! It's go time, bro! Bro!
Oh my god, yes! Yes!
Yes! No!
Oh, no. Ah!
Oh my god, it was so close!
Try again, dude.
We're just getting on out of here, aren't we? Screw it. Screw you, Bushy! And the tons of ships you rode in on. Apparently you didn't have your spinach today. Cause I'm Popeye the fisherman. I'm Popeye the fisherman. I will climb this freaking mountain to get away from the bushy. I'm Papa the fisherman. See you later, Bushy. It's been nice. Something's about to happen bad.
Oh my god, so many boats behind us. It's all from Bushi, yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, they are.
It's amazing how much they...
Well, they love killing fishermen. And I am the one that got away. I don't know how I've got away. I'm not sure
That's so
yet. I mean,
crazy.
it could happen either way, but so far it's looking good for us. Oh, not now. We're getting pulled down. Do they have us harpooned?
Yep.
What are they pulling us with? A trade ship?
I don't know, the clipper behind us. Behind the boat.
Oh, we should be okay then.
We're right, we're not attached to anything now.
Oh no, it's so crazy. Nothing unusual here. Move along. Sorry I haven't been welcoming the people who joined the stream, man. Like, as you can tell, I've been kind of tied up here trying to save our fish. You guys gonna leave us be now and let us go? Can we go turn in? Whoever's captaining the Bushy Armada, may I ask you if we've earned these fish yet? Because I feel like we have. It was a good show, though. Okay, get ready, get ready. MMO Legion came to help. Oh, MMO Legion, that's my dude. He either came to help or hurt. It's hard for me to tell. Are you ready, dude?
Yeah, I'm ready, dude.
Okay. It's a good fight, bro, but we need to go. Have fun, respect. Shinsi, the leader of Bushy, said they're leaving us alone. Appreciate it, Bushy, man. Hey, man, I earned my ship. Nobody took my ship, man. Be ready for that fight every time. That was awesome. So we can get out of here now. The leader of Bushy said they're going. He's honorable, even though they kill fishermen. So if you can back us out. Alright, T-Breezy, man. Can we get it back out of here, or are we stuck?
We're stuck as long as these guys are...
Well, that's Hands of Fate right there, okay. Hands of Fate! Put a guard up, just in case. Oh, okay, Vincentino's blocking Bushy. Turn us sharp, and we'll get in. Nicely done, guys.